Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Angry Birds 2 game. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now in order to delete the app, first you'll have to tap and hold this app. Click on App Info option. Here you can see the uninstall option with dustbin icon in the bottom section of your screen. Tap on it. And if you're sure that you want to uninstall this app, then tap on OK button. So that is how you can uninstall Angry Birds 2 game. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.